Good afternoon. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Sunday, December 27th. Hope everyone had a very nice Christmas with your families, but it's back to business in what typically is a very, very good time for small cap stocks. Over the next 2 to 4 weeks, we usually see almost every year some very nice gains. So let's get to work. Here we're looking at the Dow 15-minute chart. As you can see, over the last few days, we've had a very nice move. Granted, it's been on lower volume. We did have that golden cross on the Dow 15-minute chart, and since it happened at about 10:4:30, we're up about 90 points and right at a key level on the Dow. You'll actually see that on the daily chart. Here is that rectangle formation we've been waiting for the breakout in over the last couple of weeks. We closed right at the breakout point on Thursday, and right now we've got the futures up nicely. Granted, it still is early and anything can happen, but we're looking at a breakout possibly tomorrow on a move over at 10,521. A breakout here, and there is really zero resistance until 11K. So over the next few days, we could see a very nice upside move in the market. RSI is bumping up against that resistant line that's been in place from the July lows. We are about to get a positive MACD cross, and every time we've seen a positive MACD cross on the Dow on this rally, we've seen a very nice up move over the next few days. Indicators look very, very good here. One other thing to note, US dollar is coming off its recent run, and that is powering the commodity stocks again, which should help the market. Market has been able to shrug off this rally in the dollar over the last month, but it would be nice to see the market continue higher on the excuse that the dollar's coming down. So we've got a lot of positive things here. This is the last week of the year, so we should see some very nice upside action. There will be, of course, opportunities from laggard tax sellers, but for the most part, most stocks are bottomed right now, and traders are positioning for what typically happens first couple of weeks of January when we see a very nice move in these beaten down stocks. Let's jump into some stock plays. HYTM, this is our healthcare play. New federal law comes into effect on January 1, where it's mandated that health insurance plans offer substance abuse coverage in insurance policies. This is what these guys do. We positioned in this one a month ago, actually, what, 2, 3 weeks ago. We've been waiting for the news to happen. We've got a very nice flag formation here, and with that mandate coming into effect January 1, we suspect the news with Blue Cross and the other deals that the HYTM CEO alluded to in that interview we posted a couple of weeks ago. That news should be coming any day. It'd be nice if we saw it tomorrow. Target on this flag breakout would be a move up to the 65 to 85 cent plus area. All the indicators have flatlined, so essentially traders are waiting for the excuse to jam this stock higher. The chart is ready. We've got news coming, and it's just a matter of waiting for that news to come for the price explosion. Strong support now at 40 cents. KAD was a new trading alert on Friday. I love the chart setup here. Perfect January popper play right now. This stock is down quite a bit over the last 2 months. They raised cash last month, November 3rd, 23rd, $11 million at 70 cents a share. So here we are buying the stock at almost a 50% discount to what the funds paid. Beaten down stock, double bottom in play. RSI coming up through oversold levels. We also broke the downtrend line that's been in place from the September highs at $1.20. This is also a healthcare play. And also, these guys run a pharmacy business, and they're about to, actually, they are right now in December, taking over the pharmacy for Albertsons in the entire state of California. They're going to take over fulfilling prescriptions in Albertsons and Save-On stores. Huge contract has started to roll in now. Stock has bottomed. Looks very, very good for a big upside move in the near term. First target 55 cents. Secondary target 65 cents. If we were to take a Fibonacci retracement here, we would be looking for a 38% fib retrace to 72 cents. and 82 cents. So our targets here are 55 cents, 72 cents, 82 cents over the next couple of weeks. Some very nice upside targets on this one with very strong support at 40 cents. So we'll be looking to accumulate this one on dips. Breakout that will set this free is a move over the 20-day exponential at 47 cents. Our two other January popper plays, LLOK. Very big volume on this one on Friday. Traded almost 500,000 shares, which is big for this stock, especially given that it was a half-day trading session. We closed right at the 20-day exponential, ready for a breakout. As I mentioned in the alerts, this is a stock that's been up the last three straight Januaries by on average 20%. So we're looking for at least a move to the 200-day moving average. That is at $1.20. RSI has also broken its downtrend line that's been in place from the November highs. We had a positive MACD cross on Friday, and we also have a downtrend line break on stochastics. So this chart is set up for a big move, and we could see that move happen early this year, meaning this week. Our other January popper play, WSTL. Love this stock. It is an absolute bargain here, in my opinion. Has lots of cash, no debt, cash flow positive. They have earnings, and it's got a January trend where it's averaged a 20% gain 3 straight years from mid-December to mid-January. Breakout here is the 50-day moving average at $1.20. If this one closes over $1.20, we'd be looking to add to positions here with very little resistance until the 140 level. RSI is flatlined, as has MACD, and we're starting to get an uptrend line here on stochastics. So this is another nicely set up play for January. Of course, IFLG, we had the healthcare bill pass on Thursday. This one is flagging here. Breakout is a close over 28 cents with stops at 22 cents. MADC. This is our gamer stock that we're in. Very nice symmetrical triangle that's in place here. Breakout is 40 cents. Would be looking to add this one 36 cents and under, 34 cent stops, and we'll be adding to positions if you want to add on a break over 40 cents. 40 cents sets this one free, and we're looking for a move to 46 to 54 cents on this one. We have a positive MACD cross building. Stochastics are also coming out of the basement, and these guys had a lot of product for sale, especially for the game Call of Duty, and they should be posting a very nice earnings report in my opinion. So this is another beaten down small cap play that should do very, very well over the next couple of weeks. Speaking of beaten down plays, we've got ENCO. Every time it tries to break out, a seller steps in. That will abate this week if it hasn't already. Breakout is a close above the 20-day exponential at 28 cents or a move over 38 or 30 cents. So if we got a close at 29 cents, we'd be looking to add to positions, or a break through 30 cents, we'd also be looking to add to positions. And upside potential here is pretty decent, especially with stops at 23 cents. Well, actually, you could probably go 20 cents. If it does get slapped on tax loss selling today, this is definitely one we don't mind adding to positions in anticipation for a bounce back in January. This is the kind of stock, beaten down stocks, that do very, very well over the next couple of weeks. Last mention here is BNXBanks.com, another favorite play of mine. Pretty big volume on this one on Friday. There was a large bidder trying to grab as much shares as they could. Actually bidded it all the way up to 26 cents before the Scamex specialist pushed it back down again. But the action in this one is sort of similar to action we've seen the day before big runs in MTLK, SCLD. So this one could be getting poised for a pop tomorrow morning, so keep a very close eye on this one. Chart looks very, very nice. All the indicators are strong. ADX, stochastics, RSI break bouncing up from 50. So breakout on this one, we're looking for at least a move to 30 to 35 cents, and very, very strong support now in the 19-20 cent area. So that's pretty much it for the video. We're looking for possible news tomorrow on HYTM, which would light this one up. And then right now, the setup on KAD, it should be a very nice follow-through day tomorrow on KAD with very nice upside potential. That's it for the video. See you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Goodbye.